In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Firefox browser for an enhanced, more personal browsing experience. Whether you're looking for aesthetic changes, essential functionality, or improving your privacy settings, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in and start transforming how your Firefox looks and performs. First up, let's change the theme of your browser. Open up Firefox and head over to the menu by clicking on those three horizontal lines in the top right corner, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Select Add-ons and Themes from the drop-down options. Once you're there, navigate to Themes. You'll find a selection of built-in themes like dark, light, and more. If you want to explore more options, don't forget to check out the Firefox Add-on Store, where you can install a range of unique themes suited to your style. Now, let's rearrange your toolbar to make it more functional for your needs. Right-click directly on the toolbar, and then select Customize Toolbar. Here, you can drag and drop various icons such as Home, Downloads, and Bookmarks to arrange them just the way you like. Once you've organized everything to your satisfaction, make sure to click Done to save your changes. For a stylish new tab page, consider installing an add-on like Live Start Page or Tabless. These add-ons provide stunning wallpapers and widgets that offer a fresh, visually appealing experience each time you open a new tab. This is a great way to inject some creativity into your daily browsing. Next, let's talk about must-have extensions that will boost your browsing experience. These include uBlock Origin to block annoying ads and trackers, Dark Reader to enable dark mode across all websites, Enhancer for YouTube for better control over your video playback, and Grammarly to help with your writing. To install these, go back to the menu, then again to Add-ons and Themes, but this time select Extensions, and then Find More Add-ons. Here, you can search for each of these extensions and simply click Add to Firefox to install them. Finally, let's ensure your browser is armed with the best privacy and security settings. Initially, you'll want to enable HTTPS-only mode. Head back to the menu, go into Settings, then Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the HTTPS-only mode section and select Enable HTTPS-only mode in all windows for extra security. To shield yourself further, you need to block trackers. In that same Privacy and Security section, locate Enhanced Tracking Protection and choose the Strict option for robust protection against tracking. For added layer security, enable Secure DNS by scrolling to DNS over HTTPS. Check Enable DNS over HTTPS and choose a DNS provider like Cloudflare or NextDNS. By following these steps, you're setting up a browsing environment that's not just suited to your personality, but also equipped for a safer and smoother online journey. Enjoy your newly customized Firefox.